na nag-video ko.
Paano ko nang na-upload ko?
Okay, we're here in hotel.
So we're gonna eat now. I bought your favorite.
What's up? First, I will pee. So I need to wash my hands before I will eat. Okay, I'm here in the bathroom. Let's go to the table. So I'm here on the table. Like I'll eat some yummy yumma. Hindi ka magkaon mo. Oh, I got my favorite tanghulong. Abihara mo.
Videohan ako na mag-open ko ani na ako iyan at sa sabaw na please, sige na please, I love you man so much. Wala na, abli, lagi ni mo gabli.
No?
Sige na, bi, ako ba kang gipalitan sa imong favorite. I-video sa ko ano. Uy,
Milk tin eh.
dili, basta imong favorite. Uy, nag-video di ka. Anak, bi, anak. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Eat na rice. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Ang bilis.
Unaha ang rice. Pumunta ka kang daddy ron. Naraman na. Oh, pang-open. Oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
In my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yan na ba? Nasa ang rice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
I don't like to go.
Sige na.
But I don't know how.
At sakay kag video oh. Uy, pulos na imong video. Na.
Natunggan ba?
You just have to eat first. Before ka mag kaon sa dessert. The sauce.
But I don't know how to eat.
Kani mong pork.
My favorite!
I know it's your favorite.
Wait guys.
Oh, nak, oh. Dali, B.